Have you ever wondered why homeownership has been such a huge part of the American dream? The reason why it's simple is because homeownership is one of the most safest investments a person can make and one of the easiest ways to build wealth over time. But if you've been wondering whether you could stop renting and comfortably afford a home of your own, if you thought homeownership was impossible, or worried over things like credit, down payment, price, or affordability, then pay close attention to what I'm about to say to you in this video, because I've got some great news that you're definitely going to want to hear. Hi, my name is Rafael Reyes, Senior Home Loan Advisor at Home Depot, and I'm inviting you to our free first-time home buyer and wealth creation workshop. Click the link to see our next available date and time. When you come to our free workshop, you'll discover just how easy it is now to finally escape the rent rat race and comfortably afford a home of your own. Learn about exclusive lending options with qualifying credit scores as low as 520. Yes, 520. Learn about first-time homebuyer programs that require as little as 1% down. And find out about assistance programs designed to help cover your down payment. You'll also be able to quickly learn what type of house you can afford to buy today based on your total household income, guaranteeing affordability. And if that's not enough, we're also going to teach you ways you can quickly grow and leverage the equity in your home to begin building wealth. If you've been looking for a practically guaranteed way to increase your net worth, then it's as simple as saying goodbye to renting and hello to owning. Everyone needs a place to live and everyone wants to be worth more money as they get older. And I'll show you how you can comfortably achieve both goals with less effort. Hear from one of our expert financial advisors who will teach you exactly how to manage your finances, grow and protect your assets, and save for early retirement. Guys and gals, this workshop will be jam-packed with insider information that can enhance your financial future and improve your quality of life. If you're sick of wasting hard-earned money on rent, where you only build your landlord's equity and make them richer, if you're ready to finally escape the rent rat race and secure a place in the American dream, then register to come to our workshop at the link below. There'll be free food, gifts, prizes. We'll have some fun, learn about financial concepts and principles, and by the time you leave our workshop, you'll have all the financial tools in your arsenal to secure your future. Seating is limited, so make sure you register right away at the link below. Thanks for watching. Make it a